Welcome to the podcast. Today, we're diving into a fascinating new tool that's making waves in the world of task management, Hatchet. If you've ever wondered how big web applications handle a plethora of background tasks without crashing or losing user requests, you're in for a treat. So let's start by unpacking what Hatchet is. Imagine running a busy restaurant kitchen where the chefs are constantly bombarded with orders. This can quickly turn chaotic without a system to manage those orders effectively. Hatchet acts as that system, allowing developers to manage background tasks seamlessly. Instead of worrying about task queues or pub subsystems, Hatchet leverages Postgres to distribute functions among workers with minimal fuss. Now, if you've ever tried to debug complex task queues, you might appreciate just how valuable that is. Background tasks are pretty crucial for any web application dealing with heavy loads. They offload work from the main application, guarding against traffic spikes. Think of it as a bouncer at a nightclub, ensuring that only a controlled number of people enter at a time while others wait in line. This FIFO, first in, first out, queue system acts to absorb sudden traffic, ensuring that your application remains stable. But here's where it gets interesting. Many developers rely on libraries like Redis or RabbitMQ for task queues, which work well until things get complicated. Imagine upgrading to a more complex menu, where different dishes need precise timing and order. This is when managing tasks can become a nightmare. Hatchet steps in here, providing a full-featured background task management platform with built-in capabilities like chaining tasks into workflows and real-time dashboards for monitoring. Now let's break down some key features of Hatchet, starting with its queues. When tasks are enqueued, Hatchet ensures they are sent to workers at a manageable rate, keeping the workflow going smoothly. Have you ever had a moment when a computer crashed right before you saved your work? With Hatchet, unfinished tasks won't just disappear. They're tracked and managed until they're completed, reducing the likelihood of data loss. For those developers out there, let's talk about orchestration. Hatchet allows you to compose complex workflows that can spawn multiple tasks simultaneously, kind of like an assembly line in a factory. You can predefine the relationships between tasks through directed acyclic graphs, simplifying even the most intricate processes. And what about flow control? I think that's a game changer. You can throttle tasks on a per-user basis, ensuring that nobody, no matter how eager, can overload the system. This is about maintaining system stability. Who wants their application to crash during a crucial moment? Scheduling is another sweet spot for Hatchet. It supports cron jobs and one-off tasks, making routine maintenance effortless. Whether you want to trigger a task daily or just once at a particular time, Hatchet manages that for you. Another compelling feature is task routing. It improves operational efficiency by determining the best worker for a task, minimizing delays and bottlenecks. If you're a developer who's ever struggled with task assignment, you'll find this particularly useful. We can't forget the real-time web UI that Hatchet offers. Monitoring live updates for tasks, workflows, and queues means you can catch and resolve issues before they escalate. Now, you may wonder how Hatchet compares to other solutions like Temporal or Celery. Well, Hatchet isn't just a task queue. It's a comprehensive orchestration platform that allows for greater flexibility and visibility of task execution. On top of that, you won't need a plethora of interfaces for monitoring. Hatchet has that covered right out of the box. As we wrap up today's discussion, I hope you've gained insights into how Hatchet could revolutionize the way you manage background tasks in your